Set too low. Alright. Yo, what's cracking? Let me turn that light off. Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Tony, and I'm back in the dungeon with another unboxing. Without further ado, let's get into the shoe. Something sweet right here for your feet. Off the top. AJ1, co.JP, also known as Midnight Navy. Got an early cop these last week. If you didn't watch T's micro blading video, you might have seen me. I dipped out when it copped some shoes. Go to kicks. Oh, speaking of the devil. Hey, what's up, babe? You downstairs? Yeah. I'm doing my video. Alright, cool. I got time. Alright, back to the shoes, babe. Here they go. Put that right there so y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? Extra laces. I laced these all the way up. Came with the white laces and the navy ones. Off rip, the quality is A1. You know what I'm saying? They did their thing. Like I said before, I'm in South Korea, so all the kicks come with a little hang tag. Can't read it, but you know. Tongue, 2001. $2020. These were released in 2001. I can't say I caught an L on these back in 2001. I was in middle school. My mom said no, but look, I don't know why she said no. Maybe she'll put it in the comments. But hey, I got my pair now. Off rip though, I can't say just from being in the box, these are a dust magnet. Like dirt is gonna stick to these. I already know I'm probably gonna rock it in stocking. It's dope though. You know what I'm saying? It's a 1. Ain't too much you can talk about, but it's a 1. Yeah, the paper, you know what I'm saying? Paper said 2001, 2020. But here she come right now. I told her I was doing my video. She could have stayed outside.
What? You want me to stay outside?
Yeah. So, that's the shoe. They got the metallic emblem right here. The 2001 pair came with a, dang, what's up?
I ain't even said nothing to you, Tony.
Alright.
I'm finna go over here and eat your jelly beans.
That's cool. The 2001 pair came with a Jumpman hang tag. It was metallic. A lot of people like to rip it off and put it on like the keychains or the car keys. Kind of upset that it didn't come with it this year, but it is what it is. You probably can catch that on StockX or something. Somebody's selling something. But those are the shoes. You making my ass.
No, because I made the noise when you make the noise with the shoe box.
Oh, okay.
You trying me in this video today.
Alright, those are the kicks. This is up for grabs. We are not Tell them, baby, we ain't playing. This is up for grabs.
We ain't playing. $20 raffle tickets.
Yes, we got 30 tickets left. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do, look in the description, cash out me with your name, email us your address. You know what I'm saying? The more tickets that you buy, the higher your chances are, honestly. They retail $2.99. Look, holidays coming up, Christmas, whatever. Get your kids something nice. I will tell you, this is all digital, no disk drive, so you will need Wi-Fi to download your games. But it's 2020. If you ain't got Wi-Fi, that's something wrong. 512 gigabytes. That's an oddly specific number of gigabytes. Like they could have made it 520, 500, 512 gigabytes, but it's up for grabs. So that's the video. Thank y'all. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm out.
Bye.
Them bright lights in the city. But these boys, you're dropping on Saturday. Woo! They're dropping Saturday, so. Can you hear me? Alright, let's get serious. Get into it. Hello? Can you hear me? Alright, good. I'm in this one. I'm by myself. Ain't nobody in here. I don't